How to add messenger button to Facebook page. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add the message button to your Facebook page. For that, you need to open up your Facebook application first and make sure that you are logged in. Now, in order to manage the pages that you own, all you have to do is tap on the menu icon at the top right. Then, from here you can tap on the pages option. It will show you all of the pages that you own. I'm just going to go to any one of my pages. So this is a completely new page. Now if you tap on it, it will automatically ask you to switch to the page account. Tap on switch and you will be switched back to your page. Now tap on the three lines at the top right and head over to your page. And once you are on your page setting, all you need is to add the button. So tap on the three lines or the three dots, and this pop-up will appear. Now you have an option to add an action button. Tap on add action button, and my message button is already here. So let me just remove it first. All you need now is to tap on edit buttons and then select the message button, which is right on top. If you want to add any other button like your email, call, or WhatsApp, you could do that as well. So let me just add email, select your email address, and then just enter it. So let me just enter my email address. Now once you have done that, you could just tap on next and then save. And if I go back to my account and then preview or tap in view as, I have the send email or the message button right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.